read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. In the classroom, today we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter N. At home, how could you teach? Take a nail, keep it on the table, and needle. Yes, exactly. Keep the needle and nail on the table. Now we will teach the formation, sound, and all the vocabulary words with fun. Let's start how to write it. Start from the first line, come straight down, make slant line, come and other straight down. Make straight line again. It will make capital N. Start from second line, come straight down, jump, turn the loop. It will make small n. The letter name is N. The sound of N is N. Nail. Needle. Nail. Needle. Nest. Nurse. Newspaper. And notebook. Very good. Neatness. Tell to the kids, we should keep our things neat and clean. Keep your desk tidy and clean. Also, keep your clothes tidy and clean. Now it's story time. Nurse Neha wrote in her notebook. She read the newspaper daily in the garden. One day, she saw a nest in the tree. There were 3 eggs in the nest. I hope so. You will teach at home same like this. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.